All right, welcome back, Major Leverage Trading Group. We're in the BITSEVEN trading platform. Really quick demo side by side here for a new beginner trader. How to enter your first trade, okay, using the minimum entry, which is 0.0005 on Bitcoin. How would you do that, right? You just joined the Crypto Leverage Trading Group. You want to exit. You want to enter in your first trade. You want to get your feet wet. How should you set your screen up, okay? It's a pretty good, you can play around up here with a lot of the format and stuff, pick the colors that you want, you can change the colors of your candles, all of that. I'm going to leave that up to you. I can show you during our side-by-side how to set your entire thing up to your liking. That's not a problem. But what I really wanted to show you is really one way that is really highly effective for quite a few of us that you may overlook in terms of how you set your screen up. If you look right now, Bitcoin's trading at $33,700, okay? We know that that's kind of in between levels here, right? We just saw here that it's coming off. That would have been a good opportunity to buy in here, and I'm going to show you why. You've got your RSI indicator. You can hit up in here. Right here, you'll click that, and you watch. It'll come. It'll show your indicators. You can just type in RSI right here, and it'll pop up, and then you can hit it, okay? Here's RSI right here. So it's at a 52. That's kind of right smack dab in the middle of our range. This is the range I set up. And I recommend when we do a side, you set up about 30 to 70. And you watch that range, okay? I don't really care about the candles back here. A lot of people have their whole thing lined up. The reason why you can move this across, the reason why I move that is I'm going to show you right here a neat little trick, okay? You want to enter a trade, right? And you're going to enter at market. Like this is going to come down here, okay? Fully expected to get down to here, and that's where I want to enter. I don't really care what this price is, okay, to be honest with you. And I'm just going to be fair and just tell you I care about what the RSI is, okay? As long as it's within my range, okay? I set my zone between support and resistance. As long as it's within that range, okay, and this RSI gets to about 20, gets to about 30 or below, I'm going to enter. So what I immediately do now, and I can sit and wait on this, is at 33. Remember, it was at 33,700 when we started this, okay? It's going to come down, okay? I'm going to go 0.005, okay? First trade ever on BITSEVEN trading platform. I'm going to go 10x leverage, okay? Pretty, start at 5 or 10. I'm going to go 10x leverage, and I'm going to hit up. See this window pop up right here? This is where we're going to confirm entering in our trade at 10x leverage. And we're watching this price expected, right? But we're also, look how we have this positioned. We're also watching this candle, and we're watching the RSI. I do not have to confirm this trade until the RSI is where I want it to be, right? And I know what my range is, right? I know where I want to be at, right? So at the end of the day, we always come back to our ranges. We always going to fall. Here we go. Below here. See this? We're always going to fall here. Right? We're going to fall below here, and this is when I'm looking, and I'm watching this. I'm watching the book. I'm watching now we're at 33,500, okay? Remember, we were at 33,700, so we're 200 points down. This RSI is going to fall. It is going to reach oversold levels, okay? Looks like it's starting to level off there at 500, and I'm sitting here, right? And I'm going to wait because I'm within the zone that I want. And this can continue to fall towards support, okay? And that's fine. If it breaks that support, obviously we've got a problem, okay? But at the moment, we're going to hover around 500, which is right at 20. And this is why you mark that zone, because that box here is covering up your numbers, okay? But you set it at, in that range. So we're waiting. We're going to sit here and see how much lower it can go. It's at 500, 500, another candle. So there's no panic. There's no rush. We're leveling off right at the bottom. So we should anticipate now there to be a change, okay, coming. It certainly could fall here. And this is the hard part for people sometimes to understand is it's not an immediate change, okay? It can stay below that 30 level, okay? But we're going to wait. It's 489, okay? Still falling just a little bit below. And we want to wait for our greens to rush in, okay? It may not happen here. I got about 10 seconds left on this, but I just wanted to show you that. I'll do a part 2, and we'll get right on it right here after this to follow up. All right, mates.